I know it's been ages obviously since my last upload on YouTube, but I just want to make this video for myself mainly to document what happened yesterday, which was Saturday the 27th of September, I think. Wait, was it 27th? Yeah. Saturday 27th of September was yesterday. Today is currently Sunday 28th of September. Yesterday I went to Honk Bradford 2025, which was a street band festival. I didn't even realise obviously there was a festival because I went into town. I was obviously just going to the library and stuff, and then everything started happening, and then ended up just joining in, having fun on my own. Because honestly, the best thing is getting out there and doing things for yourself, you know. But yeah, I'm going to obviously try to edit this video, obviously to document obviously how yesterday went and stuff. This is honestly just going to be for myself. Obviously it's just to document my life yesterday because I really had fun yesterday. But yeah, that's all really. That's all I want to say. They just started doing the drums. Hang on. This is my type of music. Oh my god. Woo! Whoa. Oh my god. Oh, this is well fun. Go on, son! Oh my god! Oh, that was well cute. Oh. cool. Oh, that is well cool, honest. Oh, more. Getting attacked by the skeleton. Oh, wow. Oh, they're running. They're running. Oh, that is well cool. Look at it. Oh, that was got a skeleton thing. He got trapped. Oh, this is so fun. I got that. Oh my god, that is all cool.
Did you see that? Oh, this is too good. Right, that's all gone and I just found people in pink. is 6 a.m. and there's literally people. Oh my god, it's still happening. It's happening in the water area. There's that fountain still going on and stuff, but wow. Help, they're following me. It's a cult. I didn't sign up for this. They're still walking towards me. Go on. Oh my god, this is so cool. Oh my god, my best friend's back. I think they're all joining. I'm not sure. Woo! The skeleton's joining. There's still loads of people. I've just took a picture with them and now look at it, it's full. Have a good time.
Field here, concert B flat. We ready? So, a little bit later on in this piece, we're going to need you guys. So, here are the lyrics. Oh, I know. That's our second piece. It's called 4:30 in Bradford. So, here are the lyrics. Everybody's shuffling. Honking, honking.
Honking, honking. Alright.
Poetry.
Oh.
That's what that is. Bradford, make some noise for the Honk Band.
Woo!
There guys, here we go. Ready? Great work, guys. Awesome. Bradford. Give a Bradford welcome to the fantastic Mr. Ken Field.
And that was a wonderful Dave Evans. Dave Evans leading that piece. Are you having a good time so far? Yeah? All right, we're going to do a couple of pieces that we rehearsed a bit. We're going to start with you. We're going to start with you. We need you to clap. We have some practice with this. coming up, the Peace Artistes, our host band here, they're playing.
Oh, this is so good. Just got Subway. It's getting cold. It's currently 5:42. I've been here since about 3 o'clock. So I've been here for 3 hours nearly. But yeah, still don't know. It's 7:04. This is basically the end of it.
And thank you all folks from Bradford for coming. It's been great.
The limbo in. I thought that was it. Nope. It's 7:37. Oh, and they still got still in the media they're doing. Yeah, they're all checking into the Bradford Hotel. I think. Yeah. Oh, that's where they all. So that's like their stage and stuff. Oh. So it's finally the end of that. I've been here since obviously about 2:45, so it's been wow. So it's been like 4 hours, and I've just finished now. It's 6:42, but yeah, I'm just walking home now. Oh, wow. I wasn't even expecting all this because obviously I didn't end up seeing any of it, you know, like advertised or anything like that. Obviously I just came to town because obviously I thought I had a poetry class. Turns out it wasn't a poetry class. The poetry class was yesterday, so I thought to myself, well, I might as well just go to cinemas. So obviously I was in town and then I seen all these lot and that, and then I thought, you know what, I'll just vibe and dance and stuff, which I've been doing. Obviously I've been dancing and that. So yeah, it's actually a really good day. Better than being at home, to be honest, but yeah. You're playing Eye of the Tiger. Let's go. Back on the street, did my time, took my chances. Place to fame, lead off the pain. The man and his will to survive. that was fun. Obviously they're still there. Oh, I am. Yep, still there. Yeah, I'm heading to cinemas now, watching one battle after another, and yeah, then I've got another film at 5 o'clock, half 5.